Welcome back to the Financial Independence Network channel. Today, we'll be talking about Amazon. Make sure you hit that like button if you want to see more content like this in the future. Also, comment on any other finance-related topics you'd like to see. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gather around because we're about to talk Amazon. Yeah, that's right. The behemoth that delivers everything from toilet paper to a live lobster to your front door. But 2022 was no joke for Amazon, and we're here to make light of it. Because nothing says funny like a turbulent year for a giant corporation, am I right? Let's start with the bad news. AWS, the platform that makes Amazon's money printing machine go brrr, had a rough Q4. Revenue growth slowed to a measly 20%, and the operating margin contraction was like a punch in the gut. Amazon's guidance for Q1 was equally uninspiring, and it fell short of analysts' expectations. Ouch, that's gotta hurt. But hold on to your hats, folks, because the good news is coming. Analysts predict that these problems are only temporary, and AWS will be back in full swing before you could say Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world. And let's face it, when you can optimize costs like Amazon does, the cloud computing business is as attractive as a hot fudge sundae on a summer day. Now, while AWS was sulking in the corner, the rest of Amazon was doing just fine. Third-party sellers grew by 20%, and the holiday season was so good that customers purchased almost 500 million items from small businesses in the US. Subscription services and advertising sales were also on the rise, and international sales were growing in countries like the UK, Germany, and Japan. Not to mention, Amazon Prime is adding more services faster than a college student adds ramen noodles to their shopping cart. And let's not forget about the most important part, shall we? The stock. That's right, the thing that everyone cares about. And guess what? The stock has risen by 16% since the start of the year. That's a lot of money, my friends, and with a strong buy consensus rating and an average stock price target of $137.05, we are looking at a potential upside of 37.46%. Who needs a crystal ball when you have numbers like that? Now, before you get too excited, there's one thing you need to know. Amazon is currently trading at a discount compared to its 5-year historical average. But given the company's historically high trading multiples, this suggests a 45% discount. That's right, folks, a discount. It's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket you didn't know was there. So, while Amazon might have had a tough year, the future is still looking bright. In conclusion, Amazon had a turbulent 2022, but that doesn't mean we can't make it funny. AWS had a rough Q4, but it's only temporary, and the rest of Amazon's business is doing just fine. And with the stock on the rise and a potential upside of 37.46%, we're not too worried about a little turbulence. Because at the end of the day, when it comes to predicting the future, Amazon's predictions are about as reliable as a fortune cookie. But we're still betting on the giant corporation to keep on crushing it. That concludes our video. If you enjoyed this information, please comment, like, and share. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our Friday series on the steps to achieving financial independence. Thanks for watching.